a cube minus b cube equals to a minus b into a square plus b square plus ab. Do you find any similarity over in the above expression? Yes. So it becomes what? This expression becomes, this multiplication was right over here. The question was wrong. It should be multiply over here everywhere. There should not be plus. Okay. So continue with multiplication. So where are we now? A cube minus b cube equals to a minus b into a square plus b square plus ab. We are finding the similarity over here. So this expression becomes x raised to, this becomes a cube minus b cube, and this second one becomes b cube minus c cube. Third one becomes x raised to c cube minus a cube. Now you add them, because here x raised to a into x raised to b equals to x raised to a plus b. So similarly this logic. So x raised to a, b, we'll see this capital A, capital B, capital C, means we can add them using this formula. Okay, or you can call this identity. So x raised to a minus b plus a cube minus b cube plus b cube minus c cube plus c cube minus a cube. Now if you do this, it will become x raised to 0. Now that becomes 1. So that is the answer. Next, find the value of x plus x into x raised to x at x equals to 2. See here, this expression is always called as f of x or y. Some books call it y also. It can be f of x. Any function it can be called. Generally it's f of x. So f of x equals to x plus x into x raised to 8. But what we want? X equals to 2. So it becomes f of 2 equals to 2 plus 2 into 2 raised to 2. So 4 to the 8, 8 plus 2 10. So f of 2 equals to 10. That is the answer. To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha, plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.